Do you dream of living in the country, where your family are free to enjoy life at your own pace? Totally private in a hidden valley. Armstrong Rise Estate is that rare country gem that you've been looking for. A community development cleverly designed to allow you the freedom to live as you wish and build the home of your dreams. Surrounded by National Park, Armstrong Creek winds its way through the valley, creating stunning views and a peaceful country landscape. The estate has 11 blocks available, each with their own individual charm. From 7 acres of creekside with lush pastures to view blocks with dams, right up over 118 acres with jaw-dropping views and remnant bushland. Away from it all, but close enough to cater for your every need. A truly country life, Armstrong Rise Estate is only 8 minutes from the historic township of Daybra. Its charming main street captures the essence of country living and is the heart of this vibrant local community. An exciting, healthy and adventurous life awaits you and your family at Armstrong Rise Estate.